Welcome everybody, Mr. Manny here for the Moto channel. Another episode of Boat Watch here at the Jupiter Inlet. Stay tuned. First customer of the day right here. Beautiful day out. There are boats going up and down this inlet as I was parking. So should have a good day today. There are so many boats going up and down this inlet right now. And I'm rushing to get to my filming spot, but I'm getting a lot of good action. Sitting Pretty, the name of this guy. Sitting Pretty. Huh. Oh yeah, nice. It's 65 degrees right now. Temperature is gonna just brush the 80 mark today. So, and it is nice and warm, a little sticky, and we're in for a treat today. Wow, check out this guy. Oh, nice. It's the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto channel, most Sundays at 9 a.m. and 2 official spots for the Manny Moto channel, Jupiter and Button Beach. And beach videos and downtown videos as well, sprinkled in Manny Moto. It was February 8th, 2025, and I arrived at the inlet around 7:30 or so. I actually got 5 videos worth of footage just from this one outing from 7:30 to about 10:30. That's how much activity there was at the Jupiter Inlet. Wow. A regular here at the Jupiter Inlet, Mystic Rose. Ah, Mystic Rose. Totally awesome, man. Look how beautiful it is today. 65 degrees and it's only 7:30. Yeah, this inlet is alive with action today. We got one more car. Bang, got him. And the pigeons. Perfect. Whoa, I thought this guy was law enforcement, but I'm not sure. That's cool. Nice. It's literally one boat after another. It's been non-stop since I got here. And there was a bunch of boats flying up and down this inlet as I was pulling into my parking spot. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm coming. Yeah, crazy today, very nice. Sorry about that. That was the camera operator's fault. 65 degrees, ladies and gentlemen, and it's gonna hit the low 80s today in the middle of February. Well, almost the middle of February. Second week of whatever today's date is. February 8th, Super Bowl weekend. Yes, 65 degrees. Yeah, check this out. I'm gonna classify that as a mini yacht. Oh, that is sweet. Yeah. Let me zoom out a little bit so I get. Oh, and there's another guy behind him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that is sweet. Zoom in a little bit. I'm in 1080p because I can zoom in really pretty good on the 1080p. Yep. Jupiter, Florida. Nice little area. Burt Reynolds Park, another spot for boat watching. Not as active as the Inlet. Sawfish Bay Park. I've been there one time, but I'd like to go back to see, now that I'm learning more about the area, see what kind of action I can catch from Sawfish Bay Park. Look at that. Isn't that awesome, man? The last time I was down here, the activity was so-so. Today, forget about it. So usually in the morning you get a lot of activity, then it'll die down a little bit, and then around 10 or 11 o'clock, it will get active again, like a second wave. And I really want to start doing some night videos. I'm waiting for my daytime schedule to allow some room. But I like to come down here at night to see what it's like in the evening time. Not sure how the parks are, because I know they close at sunset. But now that we're getting closer and closer to spring, daylight is a little bit longer. I want to try to get down here and get some evening shots both here at Jupiter and Boynton Beach. We got this little green and white vessel coming this way. Where there is. A relaxing Saturday morning down at the Inlet. The sound of the water, nice weather, perfect. We got some more coming this way. Oh. Yeah, now it's quieting it down a little bit. But I'll give it a little bit of time and it'll come back to life out here. I want to say that winter is over, pretty much. Well, at least down here it is. Totally nice. Zoom in a little bit. Look. A T intersection right there. The Jupiter Inlet and the Atlantic Ocean. Whoa. Yeah, he just crossed over to the ocean right there. Yep. I love this spot right here because look, you catch the front of the boats right here and then they kind of got to scoot over. It's like they got to merge, like merging onto the interstate. The way, we're going to be back up a little bit. Yeah, get that guy. Yep. Over on that side, where all those houses are and those palm trees, that over there is known as the Jupiter Colony. Yes. There's the lighthouse out there. And we got another watercraft here. Oh, and another one. Look at that. That's what I love about down up here. There's so many little networks of waterways connected to one another. It's like crazy. Oh, there's one coming this way. There was another one out there, but he's heading towards the bridge. This guy here heading towards the ocean. And there's another little guy creeping up behind him. Should be coming into view right there. Looks like he's gonna pass him. There's that little boat right there. I'm gonna zoom out, get a better view. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, man. Wow. That is nice. I like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, black. Jet black and white. Man, that has some classy styling to it. Very nice. Awesome. Here comes another one. Pedal to the metal, baby. Wow. The throttle, yeah. Throttle it up. Bang. Filming in 1080p today because I can zoom in better, and I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot of footage I'm gonna be getting today, so I gotta conserve some storage space. But still at 60 frames per second, and this little camera is zooming in pretty good because the ocean's all the way out there, and I'm zooming in with this little cameraman. I mean, that guy got a little jet ski out there, and man, nice little spot. Look at that, sun rising out there still. I mean, I think it just maybe a little bit past 8 o'clock or just turned 8 o'clock on the, what is today, the 8th of February, 2025. Absolutely perfect. Hey, thank you for watching today's presentation. I got so much coverage. I got 5 videos just from this one outing. So there's 4 more videos coming out. This was February 8th when I was out there in Jupiter. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Mr. Manny for the Manny Moto channel. See you on the next one.